guys see the title and thumbnail, it is not clickbait. I am giving away my E92 M3, my first car ever. If you guys have been watching from the beginning, you guys know where we started. I had that car in high school. I literally drove it the last 3 days of high school. There's literally countless memories, countless YouTube videos, all on that E92. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even think I'd be where I'm at today if it wasn't for that car. And after a lot of thinking, I am doing something crazy. I am giving that car away to one of you guys. Right now, the website's live, shopfindingnick.com, first link down below. We just dropped a bunch of new merch. All you gotta do is grab a t-shirt, a hoodie, even a sticker pack could win you that entire E92 M3. Every $1 spent gets you one entry. So go right now, do not miss out, guys. This is the craziest thing I've ever done in my entire life. I'm kind of sad, bro. I'm actually really sad giving away my first car. But honestly, you guys have been rocking with me for years now. Literally to this day, I meet so many of you guys in person, and you guys always tell me that you've been watching since the E92 days. So now it's time to give back, and I cannot wait to see who wins it. I know one of you guys are gonna be hyped to have this in your garage. Oh, not only that, I almost forgot to mention, I'm gonna be flying one of you guys out here to come kick it with me and the homies, pick up your new car in person. I'm gonna hand you over the keys. Maybe we'll hit a little car meet out here in LA, make some content together. It's gonna be a good time. The winner will be announced 30 days from today, so.
Imagine you won this off a sticker pack.
I'd be hyped. Yeah, that's the crazy thing. I'm literally putting sticker packs on the website, so you could possibly win this thing with just a sticker pack, bro. Imagine winning a whole E92 M3 off a sticker pack. And I'm giving it away as is, guys, with the TE37s. I love these wheels. Yes, I'm throwing in the TEs. It got the carbon fiber spoiler. It's freshly wrapped in Vor color PPF. It got a bunch of other carbon on it, the side skirts, the diffuser, the lip, custom headlights. You guys already know the interior is all redone too. We got the roll cage, NRG bucket seats and harnesses, brand new Alcantara steering wheel. Honestly, this car's come a long way. Of course, we got the Valtronic exhaust. This thing is so loud. The full under-tray diffuser. It's literally over $20,000 worth of mods on this thing. Like the day I have to hand these keys over, I might cry, brother. All right, real quick before we get into the rest of the video, I just got my care package of all the new merch that we're dropping today. Dude, the quality, insane, guys. That's another thing too. I feel like a lot of car giveaway people just give away cheap merch. Guys, I am giving you guys the best quality blanks that I personally would wear. And these things came out fire, bro. I'm so hyped. Not only are you guys getting a chance to win a crazy E92 M3, but you're also getting some really good quality merch. These shirts have weight to them. And of course, we had to run it back with the Go Faster design because you guys all love it. We got the neck tags too. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love the quality of these. They're all true to size, they just fit a little bit loose. This one's for sure my favorite. It's like a cherry design. I thought it was super creative and I've never seen anyone do it. But yeah, those are all the designs. We got the cherry one on a shirt and a hoodie. We got a TE37 one on a hoodie and a shirt. The same exact wheels on the E92. Then we got the Live Fast, Take Risks on a cream tee and on a cream hoodie. And then last but not least, the best seller, the Go Faster tee and a hoodie. Shopfindingnick.com. Again, all of these get you entries into winning the E92 M3. Every $1 spent on the website get you one entry, and you can buy as much merch as you want. So good luck, and let's see who takes the E92 home. Look how good it sounds too. There's no way I'm giving it away. Someone's gonna be lucky. Oh, I'm not gonna be lucky. Bro, no way there's a cop right there. Sorry, sir. And he has his window down.
That's fucking funny, bro.
The good thing is it has Valtronic, so we can literally push this button, and now it's stock.
It was the Tesla.
All right, we can open it up now. The cop's gone. Oh. Oh, this thing's just addicting to drive. Such a sick car.
I feel like you get the same amount of adrenaline and like feeling of driving an SPJ.
Little mini SPJ?
This is a baby SPJ. It's just so high, downshifts are aggressive. It's an SPJ, bro. See, same thing, bro.
But this car is so sick. I'll be honest, I hope I don't regret it. Chris gave away his first car, Chris Borges, and he told me he kind of regrets it. He's sad to see it go. I'm kind of sad too, but like I said, I am excited to see who it goes to. I hope it goes to someone that is a die-hard supporter that has been watching from the E92 days, like back in the day, like when I first had the car.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah, like I
Someone
hope
like that one. Can I win it?
No, that's another thing. None of my homies can win it, guys. None of them can win. I told them I'm sorry, but Chris wants to win it. I told all my friends, nope, you can't. I want to change the color of my.
Bro, your camera sucks, bro. Look, I can't even show it. There you go. This Chipotle, ass. They didn't have no chicken. They didn't have no steak. They didn't have and they made me and Cedric share our portion of chicken. I'm reporting this to management, corporate. You always say that after you eat. He ate a bag of chips this morning for breakfast, like some hot Cheetos, and that messed my stomach up. I need to throw up.
Hot Cheetos for breakfast, bro.
And then after that, then we had In-N-Out. After In-N-Out,
oh, I need to throw up. Bad, dude.
In-N-Out's disgusting.
Fast or?
This is BTS.
I just do it?
TikTok open. You know how they record with the music?
Oh no! You can just do that. So I think it hits the floor first and then you go. Yeah. But don't do it like instant, like.
Whoa. Slight delay. That's funny.
You know what we should be funny, bro? Like if I go get like a red Gatorade too, and like whatever's red.
And that's what I was saying.
drop
Just
them
hold
all.
them. That's what I said.
All the red and go.
Just a whole bunch of shit.
I think you
Just
should do that. Yeah, that'd be
Everything that's red.
red brisk.
Because you won't get a hold of anything else.
Should we get a gas can? Drop that shit.
I'll be pissed when we drop all those drinks right here.
Bro, you know, that's exactly what's going through my mind is like, how did you guys get away with that shit in Miami, bro? Or like anyone else has done
right
that?
after. We'll just buy water and clean it up. Bro, he's gonna be pissed.
Should we go to a different gas station and just do it quick?
We can go to the other one. There's a 76 right there and there's more dead.
This is gonna be
Shit, my
bad.
pants don't, I'm not gonna lie. So I hold it like this and then drop it?
No, like look.
Yeah, I feel like you should
Like,
hold it like
this
reckless.
and drink one of them and then drop it.
And then just drop everything. Throw up. Cedric, you left your car open.
Oh my god, bro, I had to use the restroom. Like, I'm not even joking, that shit hit me bad. You think he has one? No.
Tap into the second.
He's not gonna let you in.
Oh my god, bro, it's bad. Oh my god, it's like crap, bro. I'm not even joking, I swear it's hitting me bad. Bro, I'm gonna shit my pants.
Where are we going?
Let's go, come on. Let's go find a restroom. What the fuck did we just eat?
Chipotle? Chipotle?
Oh my god, that shit hit me like instantly, dude.
Huh?
Should I try to use the restroom first?
I think use the restroom, bro. It sounds like you're shitting yourself.
I just don't know where to go. Oh my god, bro, it's bad. That was bad, man. And I feel like I had to go one more time, bro. Really bad, I'm not kidding.
I know.
think like
bro, the way you ran in there said it
5
all.
more seconds. Will I have it? Thank you. You can win it at shopfindingnick.com.
No, put your here.
Oh!
Okay, hold on.
Close your arm. No. Which one? What hand are you gonna drink it?
Yeah, do that arm exactly like that. No. Put this one next to it because it's big.
Bro, this is so stupid, bro. We're so dumb for this. Do I look dumb?
You just have to take a little
I'm gonna
sip.
test it, right?
Damn!
Alright, ready? Set, go.
Oh no!
Bro, I hope that shit was good. I hope it was good, bro.
Bro, that shit exploded, bro.
Bro, I hope that shit was good.
Chat, let's see if this was good, bro.
Fuck it. Whatever. Oh, we should leave, low key, though.
Yeah, go pick up the can. Hey, he is coming out though. That dude's getting ready to come outside. Look, he's staring at you through the window, bro.
Does he look mad?
Bro, he's staring right at you.
I know, does he look mad?
Yes, bro.
I don't even want to look.
He's looking at you through. Bro, I hope this is recording on the camera.
Spilled it all over my legs, bro.
It exploded crazy.
Alright, just so I don't get the comments, we picked up all the trash, okay? The freaking Coke and the Gatorade is gonna evaporate.
Yeah, we hosed it all down also.
Bro, I did not expect it to explode like that, but I guess it was funny.
Bro, he might be looking for you. Thumbnail right there.
I can see why you're saying SBJ.
Bro, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Like that same excitement.
Yes, exactly. That's what it is.
Not as cool,
it's
but
not a V12. It's not a Batmobile, but it's the same thrill that you get out of it.
yeah. All right, so go to shopfindingnick.com if you want to win SBJ.
SBJ Junior. That's what we're gonna list this.
This is the next day, and we are shooting some rollers with the E92. Look at this camera setup. You got the rig on the Tesla. We're doing some crazy rollers right now. These videos are gonna come out so sick. Just trying to get as much content as I can with the car, and just enjoying with some of my last drives with it. The car is so fun to drive. Like it, honestly, like especially with like the coilovers now, so dialed, bro. The bags were not it. The bags were fun while it lasted, you know. Like when I first got the car, I bagged it. It was like one of the most biggest mods ever, bro. I remember I paid so much money back then for bags. Again, I was not making nearly as close to the money I'm making now. So everything I modded on this car in the beginning, I'm talking like 8 years ago, even more. Every paycheck would go to something. Like I would get paid, I would buy a new front lip. My next paycheck, I'll buy a diffuser. The big one was the bags. It was a lot of money, bro, for the air suspension, and it was fun while it lasted. It looks sick, slammed, but the coilover just handles so much better. Like I could take this thing to the canyon and just rip it. Also, we got like these Xbox Live party chat mics on, so we can communicate, and you can tell me to slow down, go fast, switch lanes. This video is gonna come out fire. Just wait till you guys see it. Doing like flybys, launch controls, everything. The launch control on this car is sick. I gotta do one for you guys on camera real quick. Also, the car is not done. I still got a couple more things to do. I gotta put the tow hook covers on and get them wrapped. You guys can probably see like it has little tow hook covers missing. So I got those, I ordered them, I'm gonna wrap them, throw those on. I also have a pretty sick mod at Beamer Plug I gotta install. We're doing CarPlay on this car. So we're actually gonna replace this entire screen, and now it's gonna have an Apple CarPlay installed and so much more, bro. I like a modern and new entertainment system, so that's gonna be sick too. Super OEM. Gotta install that still, so the new owner's gonna have Apple CarPlay. I also got some seat rails to install, so now you'll be able to like go forward and back with the seat, because right now it's not. It's only like one position, which is like perfect for me, but what if someone's taller and wins this car? So I got seat rails to install. I'm just trying to make the car like that much better for whoever wins this car. I want it to be perfect. Oh, the seat delete. I have this company that I'm working with making a seat delete for the car. Hopefully it gets done in time, but I'm gonna throw that on as well. It's gonna be all new seat delete, Alcantara and carbon fiber. It looks so fire, bro. I'm kind of jealous whoever wins this car, because it's such a good freaking car. I probably look so funny with this on. Of course we need gas. But yeah, shopfindingnick.com. And this could be you filling up your E92. You're gonna be going through a lot of gas, brother, whoever wins. Just know that. A lot. Hey, but it is smiles per gallon, bro. This car puts the biggest smile on my face. More than any other cars that I have right now. And by far the best sounding car that I've ever owned. Sounds insane, dude. It's worth it, trust me. I know it's gonna be a lot. It's probably gonna be like $90. Let's say 80, 90. But it's 100% worth it. Yeah, this thing looks so good. The color gets so much attention too. Like everybody looks at this car. I might have to do the same exact red on my Supra or something. Cause right now I'm trying to think of a colors to wrap that car. I'm thinking red. Like this exact red on the Supra with the chrome wheels. That would be clean. I was right and wrong. $95. God damn, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it actually is getting a little ridiculous with gas. Like it was funny at first, how California has the highest gas. But now it's like, it's not funny no more. Every car's $100. The R8's freaking more. R8's $130. This is all bad. We might have to move all the camera equipment. We want to put it on the R8 and do a video. Make the R8 like a camera car. This camera setup is actually crazy. I can't even see anything. Look at my view. That launch was sick though. Alright guys, well that's gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys want to get entered into winning the E92 and take this car home, go to shopfindingnick.com. First link down below. Grab a t-shirt, a hoodie, even a sticker pack can win you that entire car, guys. Not wait to see who wins. Again, you're gonna get to fly out here, kick it with me and the homies. We'll hit a little car meet and stuff. I'll give you guys a ride in all the cars. It's gonna be sick, bro. Whoever wins this is one lucky person, dude. But yeah, shopfindingnick.com. First link down below. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.